This is the new dashboard, and it's really going to show you, the restore operations by operator, by application. You can actually see, drill down and see who's making those restores, what they're restoring, and the activity. I know I was talking to Emily earlier this week. She's really passionate about this dashboard. So, Emily, do you want to talk a little bit more about this?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, so when I go and I speak to organizations in the field, usually the number one thing that comes up when it comes to protecting M365 is how do we actually verify who's been performing restores and what type of data were they recovering? So this is going to be critical for them to be able to audit those types of restores that are happening. And the nice portion of this is that it's all viewable within this dashboard. So you have all of your monitoring that could be taking place for your on-prem workloads, your cloud workloads, your backups as well, but then also being able to monitor your M365 environment and see the types of restores that are actually happening within that organization. I mean, so this could go ahead and drill down into who was performing what restore, but then also where did that restore occur to, and then also like what time it was and things like that. So super awesome to be able to have this capability, so that way you can pull this out as an audit report and ensure that the data set that is being captured is not being used maliciously for anything like that. To Rick's question earlier, this is out as we were waiting for the support for M365 version 8 to be released. This is also going to be supported as well.